Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum, and I'm coming on today with a small. I have a couple Happy Mail packages, and I have a D-Stash package that has been sitting in my hallway for months. And I'm slowly whittling down some packages and putting stuff away, and I'm really sorry for that, but we're gonna get into it. So this first one is from Tina. This is Tina's Craft Creations. I will link her down below. She's been making these little cards, and they're just so cute. She says, "Hey Lacey, I can't wait to see what you create with these. Love it, Tina." So I have been on the hunt for these little jars from Target, and I was having a hard time finding one in particular, and she found some and asked me, she texted me and was like, "Hey, do you still want these? Are you still looking for these?" And I said, "Absolutely." She's like, "They have 5. How many do you want?" I said, 5. Do I have eyeballs in my stash? Absolutely. But these ones have just the bloodshot eyes. So I have normal eyes of all different colors, but bloodshot eyes, they're only $1. These are called dead man's eyes. For some reason I thought it was devil something, but there's eyes in here. You probably only get 5 because I think they're in the pumpkin ones, they were only 5. We'll open her up, we'll find out. Let's test this theory. But the pumpkins, or was it 4 that you got in the pumpkins? I can't remember if the pumpkins were 4 or 5. Used to get so much in these. They used to fill the jars up with stuff, and just over the last couple years they just keep getting stingier and stingier. But you know, inflation, right? Even though, you know, these, oops, one eye down. Ooh, so okay, we got 6 eyes. 6 eyes. These are going to be very cool. I have a couple ideas. So 6, I have 30 eyes, 30 bloodshot eyes. So I'm so excited. Thank you, Tina, for thinking of me when you see these. I'm going to go to another Target possibly this weekend, and I might find more. But I don't know. My Targets are weird. I feel like I don't have Target in my town. I have to drive in whatever direction I want to get to one. I think the closest one is about 20 minutes. And I feel like they'll get a couple things, right? And they'll fill like a couple of their little shelves, and then you just have a whole lot of either old stuff or stuff that is just empty. And so those get picked over fast because there's only a couple things out, and then it's a repeated cycle. I feel like all of my Targets that are near me, or the ones I visit, there's usually 3, are like that. And it really, really irritates me. It's like, do they not get it all together? And if they don't, then, you know, why do they put it out piece by piece? I'm guessing they do it for inventory. I don't know, but it's really annoying. This next package is from Patty. I was on the hunt for these specific pumpkins, and she said that she had some in her stash and wanted to know if I wanted them. And I said, I mean, I don't want to take your stash. It's okay. She's like, I'm not going to use them. I said, then I will definitely take it. So she's added some other little goodies. She's added this little book club duck. We are in a book club together, so that is so cute. He's definitely going to go in my Jeep. These are the pumpkins in question. So they're from Recollections. What year did these come out? 2018. So I've picked up, I can't find an exact pumpkin that looks like this. I did pick up some pink pumpkins. Oh, I don't know where they're at. I picked up some pink pumpkins on Amazon that are similar. They're not glitter. They're just pink. They had pink, orange, and blue, I think. And the shape is slightly different, and I liked the back and the front and these are 2 different colors. I think those pumpkins are too, but they're not 2 different pieces like this. But I thought that I could either put some glitter resin on the top, or I don't know if sickles will stick to it. Maybe Mod Podge and some glitter. So I have ideas for them, but I'm so happy to have some. I think I have now 5 because I had 1 in my stash, 1 that I had gotten in an embellishment box. And I've just kind of been hoarding it. because I've been on the hunt for them, and now I've got 5. So thank you, Patty. And then she also threw these in too. These are really cool. So these are Brad's. These are Martha Stewart. Oh, I love kind of getting some vintagey things that I might not have had. These are, I think these are from 2008. Does it say? 2011. Ooh, very cool. He's got a little crazy eye, but I feel like I could probably fix that if I wanted. They feel like buttons, like wrapped buttons, but they're Brad's. That is very cool. Love that. Thank you so much, Patty. I really, really appreciate you sharing your coveted pumpkins with me. That. And then this next box this is a Destash that I purchased from Chrintina, who is AZ Crafter. I think it's AZ Crafter. I will link all the ladies down below. I will link Tina, I will link Patty, and I will link Chrintina. And I had purchased I was looking for some Project Life cards. I did end up buying some from American Crafts. I didn't haul them because they had the warehouse fire and they're no more. Like, I didn't haul them because I don't think that you can get them anymore. You might be able to find them other places, but I just decided not to haul them. But before I purchased those, there's a Destash group on Instagram that I think Chrintina is the founder of that group. I'm pretty sure she is. And we, it's just a group of us ladies that, hey, I'm looking for this, or hey, I have this, I'm getting rid of it. Is anybody interested? And yeah, I was looking for Project Life. She said that she had some. I said, how much can you share? Like, how much are you willing to share? She's like, I can sell half of my stash. And so I purchased it. So, oh yes, she's AZ Crafty Maven. So super cute. She also gave me some other little goodies. Let's see. Oh, okay. They're not. Oh, you're trying to trick me. Oh, I see now. Like, how does this open? Here we go. Looks like some journaling goodies. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, so we have some envelopes. Those are cool. Ooh, look at this little, it's a bag, but it's like a seed packet. Oh, these are cool. These are really neat. I have a glassine bag that has some guest checks in here. I have these guest checks, but I will pass them along. Some bingo cards. You can never have too many bingo cards. A little flash card. Ooh, oh my gosh. I think I'm going to have to do like a pickle junk out journal because I've got a couple pickle things now. I got some pickle napkins. This is like when you go to the fair and there's pickles, like this is like the little pouch that they put them in. How cute is that? Oh, I love that. My favorite thing. And some more envelopes of various sizes. Oh, I like this one that it's got a window in the front. Look at this one. This is probably from a little like Chinese restaurant. Very cute. Oh, I like that. And then we have, ooh, some stamps. Girl, you shared some stamps with me? Oh, look at this Christmas stamp. That's going to go in my December daily stuff. Very cute. And US postage. Look at this little, that's cute. It's like a little wagon. It's a bread wagon. Those are so cool. Thank you so much, Chrintina, for sharing with me. I can't remember which. Oh, there's more goodies in there. I don't remember which Project Life these are from. But I'll share some. I'm not going to go through all of them because I don't know how many cards are in here. Quite a bit. quite a bit. I'll go over a small stack. I've been wanting to make more mini albums, and I've been just junk journaling and living my best life. I really am loving the the journaling community. I have found it very like therapeutic, so I'm really loving it. I love my paper crafts, don't get me wrong, but journaling is just part of you. You do what you want. It's your expression, your thoughts, everything, and it's just been really nice. So we have 6 of these. So it's my life on one side, a little journaling part on the other side. These have some orange script, and then journaling on this side. Oh, I like these, so I can do whatever little calendar I want. Journaling on that side. Today is a gift on this side. I like, it's like a postage kind of stamp border. Polka dots. Journaling. A lot of mints and teals, which are some of my favorites, so I really like that. Right now, they're really cute. So I'm super excited. I have so many. So I have 5 packs of these, like assorted sizes, and then there are like, are these 4x6? Yeah, about 4x6. We can go over some of these. Like I feel like these ones might be harder for me to use, but maybe not. Oh, these fold into like book style. Okay. Nice. So I'm so excited. I'll probably use a lot of these in like October dailies, December dailies if I can. These are fun. Fun, fun, fun. I know I'm late to like the Project Life party, but you know, it is what it is. They're just hard to find now. They have, they do have an app where you can like buy and download digitals. But you know, if I don't have things on hand, I really like digitals. I don't mind printing digitals, but I kind of forget that I have stuff that I could print out. Like I am just, if I have it on hand where I can see and lay stuff out, I'm more apt to do that. Like I would have to get better at purchasing my digitals and printing them out right away. So thank you so much, Chrintina. But she's also got some beads in here. Oh my gosh, and these are like stuff that I like. So we have a Jeep. That is so cute. I should make a beaded pen. I have some duckies too. I should make a beaded pen to put in my Jeep. And we have an Annabelle. And then dark and twisty. Yeah, that's how I like my books and my movies. And then we have this little Nomi, but he's got a hat, like a hatchet, axe. He's got some blood splatter. So cute. Thank you so much, ladies. I truly appreciate you. I have some packages I have to mail out as well. So thank you for watching. Make sure you give all the ladies some crafty love. Reach out to Chrintina if you're not in the Destash group and you would like to be, because there's always somebody that's wanting to get rid of something or somebody's looking for something. It's been a fun group. So I've really enjoyed it, especially if you like to, you know, destash stuff or purchase destashes. And thank you for the other ladies for thinking of me as you're going through stuff and you're finding stuff that you think that I would like. I really truly appreciate it. So we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.